Hi guys, it's Sarah and I am on Instagram today with no face makeup on, just a little bit of mascara to show you how I use Flex Concealer to cover my dark circles, all these spots, and just some general redness I have. So I'm in my winter shade, which is fair in the Flex Concealer. I'm going to use a sponge to blend out, but I like to first apply it straight from the tube in the areas that I'm the darkest under the eye and on my sunspot. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out with the sponge. I'm always patting. Patting is going to build more coverage, look at that, than kind of rubbing with a sponge would. Okay, so under eyes are nice and bright now. Look like I got some sleep. I'm going to go in the areas where I carry a lot of redness, which is around my nose. Got some little spots here, little friends that are visiting that we want to cover up too. Then again, we are patting, blending out. Now, the great thing about Flex Concealer, other than the coverage, is that it has chamomile to calm the skin and blue lotus, which is going to hydrate the skin. And just like that, no more pimples, no more dark spots, no more dark circles, thanks to Flex Concealer. What would I do without you?